YZF-R1M is the closest experience you will get to a real racing bike. The feedback and emotion that I feel when riding this bike is the same as my superbike. The advanced electronics and the mobile apps allow you to customise the bike precisely for your needs. It's just like having your own pit crew. Once you've signed up for your new R1M, you will have the opportunity to enjoy the Yamaha Racing Experience in 2017 at Mugello or Silverstone. There you will get a chance to take part in specialised workshops and, of course, ride on track with Yamaha riders from around the world like myself and Michael van der Mark. We cannot wait to see you there.